Hello friends, today I am glad to release this video for the urban gardener. This video is related to the most popular technology for the organic terrace gardener as well as for the organic farmers. So dear friends, please stay tuned to the end. If you have hobby of gardening and interested in such type of video, then please subscribe my channel and also push the bell button. Dear friends, in this era, city people are more health conscious as compared to the village or rural people, and they want healthy or organic food to eat. But on second hand, whatever the fruits or vegetables available in the markets are heavily loaded with the pesticide. It have residue of dangerous pesticide which badly affect the human health. On second hand, source of organic food is very limited, so craze of people towards the terrace gardening is increasing day by day. If you see the main constraint for city people, then there are very limited source for the information nearby them. Availability of fertile soil is also one of the most important limitation for the urban gardener. They don't have enough space, having minimum light for the growth and development of the plants. For them, it is very tough to find other necessary inputs like polybags, seed packets, fertilizers, pesticide and other tools. After hard work, gardener finally meet all the requirements, which result in plants start to grow. But when plants just start to grow, attack of pest and disease as well as deficiency of nutrients start to show on the plant, which became headache to manage using the limited source of organic farming. In this situation, waste decomposer is a only magical tool for gardeners. Dear friends, this tool not only do the decomposition of waste, but it also manage the pest, disease, provide the necessary nutrition, necessary micronutrients to the plants. If we see other features of waste decomposer, then it quickly decompose kitchen or other bio-waste. It facilitates maximum germination of seed. It protects the plants against rat or bird damage, and it also improves the fertility of the soil. Dear friends, please note that this technology is developed by Central Government Organization of India, known as National Center of Organic Farming, located at Ghaziabad. Now, how to make the solution of waste decomposer? Dear friends, please take 200 liters of water in plastic barrel. In this barrel, please add 2 kg of desi jaggery, means jaggery that have minimum chemical load, or desi jaggery, and add 1 bottle of waste decomposer or 5 liter solution of waste decomposer. Stir the solution twice a day. After 7 days, solution of waste decomposer will be ready to use. Dear friends, waste decomposer helps in quick decomposition of kitchen as well as bio waste. For the spray of solution on waste, please maintain minimum 60% humidity. One can also give waste decomposer as a seed treatment by spraying the solution of waste decomposer and allow seed to dry in shade. This treatment gives maximum germination and protect the seed at initial level against the pest and disease. One can directly spray the solution of waste decomposer. For vegetable crops, take 90 liter water and add 60 liter solution of waste decomposer and make solution 150 liter. For fruit crops, to make the solution 150 liter, take 60 liter of water and add 90 liter of waste decomposer solution. You can spray waste decomposer directly on leaves of the plants. One can also do the soil application or media application, which increase the fertility level of the soil, also increase the physiochemical properties of the soil. Most important thing of this waste decomposer solution is that one can also protect their plant from the damage caused by the rats as well as damage caused by the birds. So dear friends, please use this magical tool